This is a tutorial on how to extract data from any website without any coding required using a tool called Extracture. For this example, we'll extract data from Zillow, which is a real estate listings website. And we want to extract data on specific listings. Looking at a listings page, we'll probably want to extract the price, the address, the beds, the baths, and the square footage. To do so using Extracture, we create a new extraction and we have two options to continue. The first option is I have a list of links, which is where I literally have a list of all the specific pages I want to extract data from. And the second option is find it automatically. Here we give Extracture a website and we tell it what sort of pages we want to extract data from based on its URL. For this example, we'll use find links automatically. In the next step, we get to choose between extracting data from all pages or from specific pages. Now, I don't want to extract data from all pages on Zillow because there's many pages I'm not interested in getting data from. I only really want to extract data from listings pages, so we'll go with those pages. Next, we enter the name of the page we want to start at Extracture from, which is the Zillow page you just saw. And I know that the listing pages have this in each of the URL home details. And that tells Extracture to only extract data from pages that have home details in their URL. And for this example, let's limit it to 10 pages that can be found by Extracture. After creating a new extraction, it's time to specify what data we want to extract. To do so, we create columns in a table to specify what data we want. So first we want the address of the property. Secondly, we want the price. And the price of property in the form it's making nice. Next, we wanted the size, so a nice square of the change of that property. And here we can set it to be a number rather than text field. And beds, the amount of beds in the property. Also, a number makes no sense here. And that's it for defining the data. Then all we have to do now is press extract. There are two modes of abstraction, basic extraction and advanced extraction. Advanced extraction is capable of understanding the page better and extract data that's not necessarily visible but is implied from what's on the page. But for this example, basic should do just fine. And start extraction. And now we wait. As we can see, the table is now locked, the status is running, and Extracture is now finding pages based on the rules we set. As you can see here, the band having a Zillow page, only pages containing home details, and a page limit of 10. And very soon we should see our results roll in to the table we defined. As we can see, Extracture found the first pages according to our rules. Now we're waiting for it to start analyzing them. And here we go, our first extracted pieces of data. We see the address, we see the price, we see the size in square feet, we see the beds, and we see which URL the data was extracted from. And after a few seconds, as we can see, Extracture has completed its extraction. We have a data extracted from 9 pages, 9 rows, which makes sense as there should be 1 row per page, and we can download this data into an Excel file.